'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. We are cooking ogbono soup, oh fa la 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 la. Hey guys, today I will be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious, yummilicious ogbono soup. Oh my goodness, this soup was so yummy. Keep watching, guys, as I show you guys how I prepare this ogbenge soup. Okay, guys, this is the style of the recipe. I have my ogbono seed that I will be blending to a powder form. Thank you so much, everyone, for stopping by today. Here also I have my blended crayfish and my blended dry pepper that I will be using also. And I also have my seasoning. I have my Knorr chicken flavor bouillon, then my beef seasoning and my salt seasoning also that I'm going to be using. Then I also have my palm oil and my pumpkin leaf, also called ugu leaves. Then this is the meat I will be using. I have goat meat, cow skin, and smoked turkey. You can use any other meat of your choice. It doesn't really matter. Then I also have my stockfish. I've already washed and soaked my stockfish for about 1 hour before using it. Okay, before I will use it. Then I also have my dried croaker fish. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in all my meat inside a clean pot. Okay, then I will be seasoning, adding my seasoning, which is salt, beef seasoning, and chicken seasoning. I'm just going to add them together. Then I'll add in some blended habanaro pepper with ginger and onions. Then I'll raise the plate. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. Thank you so much, everyone, for stopping by today. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, for always coming back to watch my video. Merry Christmas to every one of you. I love you guys. Okay, I'll cover it up and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. While the meat is cooking, I will go ahead and blend my ogbono. Okay, I'll blend my ogbono to a powder form. Okay, then after blending my ogbono, I'll go ahead and add some palm oil. I'll mix it together. Then I'll microwave it for a minute so that the oil will dissolve inside the ogbono.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. This day has been on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people there for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow.
I'm still mixing it together. Then I'll microwave it for 1 minute. This is 1 minute later after I've done microwaving it. Now you have this consistency. Then let's check back on our meat. Okay, now it has been 15 minutes later. As you can see, the next thing is for me to add in my stock fish. Okay, I'm just giving it a stir. Then I'll add in my stock fish.
So the matter be, every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of.
Okay guys, after adding in the stockfish, I'll add water. I added 4 cups of water. Then I'll cover it up. Then I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes.
But today, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody.
5 minutes later, I'll go ahead and add in my blended pepper and my blended crayfish.
See today, I did drive in my fat on the just the shout.
I went ahead and add more water because this soup, we need water in this soup, okay? Then I'll cover, I like to cook for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is 5 minutes later. Now it's time for me to add the star of the day, which is my ogbono. Okay, I'll give it a quick stir. Yeah, we like stirring. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, put on the bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a delicious recipe like this. Okay, now I'm adding in my ogbono. Okay, I'm just going to add in my ogbono. You can cook this soup in a in different method. Okay, there are different ways you can cook your ogbono soup. I prefer cooking my ogbono soup this way. This is how I was taught by my mom. Okay, when I was growing up, this is how I was taught to cook ogbono soup. Okay, some people fry it before they cook it. Okay, this is my favorite method of cooking my ogbono. Okay, now I'm just going to mix it well. Okay, and make sure I mix it very well because you don't want your ogbono to be lumpy. Okay, mix it, stir it, and stir it till you have the right consistency that you want. And after stirring it together, I'll go ahead and rinse my plate. Okay, the plate of the ogbono, I'm going to rinse it with hot water. Then I will just pour it inside till I get my, I will stir it till I get my desired consistency.
That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Usolu. If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I no get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody can change my.
After mixing it properly, I would like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add in more pepper. Okay, I went ahead and added more crayfish and more pepper because I want it to be spicy. Okay, nobody's eating food that is not spicy in this cold weather, especially soup. When it comes to soup, you want your soup to be spicy, and in my house we love it spicy. Okay, we love it spicy. Okay, now I'm just going to stir everything together. Then after stirring it together, I'll go ahead and add in my fish.
People will not like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Then I also added in my pumpkin leaf, which is also called ugu leaf. Okay, this was a dry pumpkin leaf. I went ahead and soaked the pumpkin leaf for about 1 hour before I use it. Okay, then I will stir it together, mix it well, mix it properly. I love ogbono soup. This is one of my daughter favorite soup. Okay, she can eat this soup all day. Alessia, my daughter, she can eat this soup all day without no stop. Okay, she prefers this soup more than any other soup. Okay, I barely cook this soup, guys, even though it's her favorite soup, but I barely cook ogbono soup. But whenever I cook this soup, oh my goodness, come and see the excitement in her face. Okay, and she loves to eat ogbono soup with eba. Okay, her favorite swallow is eba. She loves to eat her ogbono soup with eba. Me, I love to eat mine with eba, any swallow. Okay, I don't mind any swallow, but is eba. Then after stirring up, I will add in, I tested it for salt, then I added more salt. Okay, then I'll give it a quick stir. I like to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then our soup is going to be ready.
They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I no get money, nobody want near me.
Okay, guys, this is 10 minutes later and our soup is ready. Okay, are you hungry, guys? Are you hungry? Oh my goodness, this soup tastes so yummy. It tastes so delicious. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you watched to this point, oh my goodness, you are the bomb. You are amazing. You are love. You are good. You are yummilicious. Okay, thank you so much for the love, for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to thumbs up for me. Please, guys, always thumbs up. Your thumbs up is highly appreciated. Your thumbs up take this video to a very, very far place. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up for me, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Merry Christmas. I love you guys. Bye.